And now, First Warn 5 weather.
6:42 this morning, and it's cold for us. But, you know, when it's this cold, it's good to know that you're not alone. You're not the only one suffering, and that is certainly the case. It's 32 in Houston right now, 6 degrees in Oklahoma City, and it only gets worse from there. It's below zero starting in Kansas City, even in places in Kansas below zero. Des Moines, -17, -13 Minneapolis, -25 in Bismarck, and Northeast too is socked into the cold. And these are air temperatures, 2 below zero, 0 degrees in Boston. But keep in mind that like us, there's a wind in many of these places, so it feels colder than this. A lot of places with below zero wind chills. It was a brutal New Year's Eve. If you were watching the ball drop on TV at New York Times, I don't know about you, but I couldn't believe how quickly people disappeared right after midnight. Everybody ran inside because they've been standing out there all day long in that cold. It'd been cold all day, and I don't blame them for being inside. And today's going to be a good inside day for us. Now, that shade of green is showers mainly over us right now, but notice that shade of pink. That's sleet that's coming down, and we may see some of that in our area. In fact, we switch over to the high-resolution radar and gives us a better idea of what's happening. And most of the showers right now are offshore. They were over the lower valley, but have shifted off to the east. But new showers are coming in, and it's not just rain. Notice the shade of purple showing up. We could be seeing some ice pellets right around the Fayetteville area. And it's saying, and basically what this algorithm is saying is it's mostly sleet in that area. Over here, there could be some ice pellets in Starr County, but the radar is saying it's mostly rain right now. Again, the best chance of seeing that sleet is going to be mainly in areas that are the more rural parts of our viewing area. In northern Hidalgo County, Starr County, that's the best chance of seeing the sleet. Most of us are just going to see rain, but don't be surprised if you see some ice pellets, little tiny little balls of ice coming down as well. 38 is our high temperature today, and it's not even going to feel that warm. It's going to be windy all day long with gusts up to 35 miles per hour, so wind chills are going to be no warmer than the upper 20s. Best chance of rain in the morning, and then isolated showers this afternoon. And many staying dry tonight, but the chance of rain is still there, particularly in the lower valley and along the coast. But again, it's a small chance. Our low of 34, that's on an average low across the valley, though I think some will get to the freezing mark, particularly in northern Hidalgo County, Starr County. The kind of the coldest spots today will be the coldest spots tonight. And it's still going to be breezy with gusts up to 25. This is the case for everyone. So even if you don't get to freezing, it's going to feel well below freezing. Wind chills are going to be in the mid-20s tonight. So it's going to be a rough one. And that's why a freeze warning is in effect. And basically they issue a freeze warning where there's a chance you could see a temperature of 32. So where there's no chance of seeing a temperature of 32 is right along the coast. Everyone else has a chance, but I'll be honest, I think it's going to be more in the mid-30s from McAllen, Raymondville, Harlingen. I think mid-30s is more realistic, and then low 30s, though, for up the northern part of Hidalgo County and out towards Starr County. But freeze warning in effect 9 p.m. Monday to 10 a.m. Tuesday because those wind chills are going to be in the mid-20s. So consider it a freeze either way. And then consider it freezing temperatures next 3 nights because temperatures are going to be in the 30s right around that freezing mark, not just tonight, not just tomorrow night, but Wednesday night as well. In fact, Wednesday night may end up being our coldest night before it's all said and done. So cover those plants with bed sheets, pillowcases, not plastic bags. Wrap the pipes, hats and gloves if you're going to be out tonight in early morning hours, and bring the pets inside or make sure they have plenty of blankets and are in some type of shelter if they do stay outside. Or go ahead and bring them inside and let them enjoy the heat for a change. Low 60s for Thursday afternoon. Notice we're very cold the next 3 days, and a cold start Thursday morning, but certainly improvement Thursday because we're going to have sunny skies. In fact, I think we'll finally see the sun Wednesday afternoon, and then we're going to be seeing more of the sun. Though there's a small chance of rain on Saturday, most of these days are going to be dry, and eventually our temperatures will be getting back into the low to mid 70s, a little bit above normal for this time of year. More news.